Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. So here's the new experiment I did with Houdini and ComfyUI. This video is meant to be super short, just to go over the steps really quick. I'm experimenting with these type of fast like short videos to save time and deliver only the key points. There is no need to go over the like a repetitive task and steps. Okay, so let's start with Houdini. This is my regular workflow, which I build the scene and animation in Houdini and render with some passes. I render the depth map and a mask to separate the car from the background. I also added a little camera shake in Houdini. For this experiment, I wanted to train a Lora for the consistency, and was just curious to see how the animation works out once you incorporate it in your setup. Here I'm using this dataset caption editor called Burrow to easily apply captions and change the tags on every photo. Okay, let's go over Koya, and these are my Koya SS settings in a nutshell, but I will go over it in a full workflow later in another video. I used 6 epochs with almost like 55 photos and was keeping my steps between 2300 to 2600. Higher epochs tend to be more oversaturated, and after 5 or 6 you might not even notice the difference, but it's gonna take a long time if you want to go past like 6 or 7. Then I'm testing the Lora in a simple image generation setup in Comfy to just find the best settings for my final animation. I'm using Juggernaut Reborn checkpoint for stable diffusion 1.5, and as you see, the image with no Lora is terrible and can't properly showcase the type of car I described in my text prompt. And this is just a test I did with camera projection. I upscaled one frame and projected it in Houdini as a texture. But it's simply a test, because obviously it's not going to work if you change your perspective, because it's going to reveal the missing texture behind the foreground geometry. But anyway, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.